Hey, my friends, it's Brian Perisho, the Digital Fireman, and today I want to talk about how to start an online business in 2024. Now, I've got some notes here. I've got about 6 steps here that I've got written down so I don't lose my place, but that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So, how do we get started? Well, you got to get the education and the knowledge to know how to start an online business, and I'm going to show you that here as we go through the information. Once you get the information and the knowledge, you're going to need to determine your niche. Well, what is a niche, somebody says? Well, a niche is exactly who you're going to want to talk to, who your perfect prospect is. And for me, it's the make money online niche. I'm looking for people that are wanting to know how to make money online in 2024. Exactly why I'm making this content today. And so you want to be very focused on your niche. There's a lot of noise out there. There's a lot of people that are looking to do side hustles, looking to just make a little bit of money, looking to just do affiliate marketing and wanting to do different things, wanting to do Amazon. That's not what I'm looking to share with people. I'm looking for people that want to start an online business in 2024, more specifically digital marketing. And what's the difference between affiliate marketing and digital marketing? Well, quickly, affiliate marketing is you're selling someone else's product for a small commission. And usually if it's a course or something like that, you're giving them a link to log in and see the information. With the digital marketing, I own the course. I deal in master resale rights and PLR products, which means I own the product and I also can edit the products. Now, not all of them I can edit because not all of them are PLR, but all of the products that I have are master resale, which means someone has made the course, I purchased the course, and I have full rights to use the course, and I own it. So if somebody leaves that has made the course and shuts down their website, it doesn't matter because I own it, I possess it, I've downloaded it, I can put it up on my server, and then I can sell that forever. And here's the best part. I make 100% commission. So what price I place this product at and what price I sell it, I make 100% commission. You don't make that with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing somewhere makes between 4% and up to about 40% typically. Okay, so and then you have to decide what product you want to sell, and I'm going to cover that here in just a minute. You want to set up automation. Automation is so important because you want the system to be working for you when you're asleep or you're at work, like I have to go to work, or you're busy spending time with your family. Automation is important. We don't want to have to be in our DMs or our direct messages every day talking to people all day long and trying to prospect people. We want to put up content like that I'm making right here that will bring people into you. So that's automation. The other part of automation, which we give you, we use what's called systeme.io. And in Systeme, you can have up to 2,000 contacts for free before you have to pay anything. And then the next level is only $27 a month. You also get a funnel, which we give you the funnel. It's completely done for you. That's the sales pages, the page where people enter in their email that says they want more information, the page that talks about how to get started. It's the page that does your sales, all that great stuff. We show you exactly how to do that, and we give that to you. Also inside the automations is email follow-up. So when someone opts in and asks for more information, their email is automatically put on your list, and then it will follow up emails based on how long you've set that up. Once again, we give you these also. I have about 8 automatic emails, and then I do what's called broadcasts daily. When I put up content like this, I will send the link to this video so that people can watch this, and that follows up. Now, here's the key with what's really important with automation, because most people won't make a purchasing decision until after 7 touches is what we call that. So they need to see you in a video, they need to see you in a post, they need to see you in an email, they need to hear from you 7 times before they make a purchasing decision. Very, very important. So you need to have automation, which we give you. Number 4, you got to pick your social media platform. So for me, I'm focusing on YouTube this year because it's up there for the long term. The long haul is what YouTube does for me. Now there's all kinds of other places you can market on. You can market on Instagram Reels. You can market on TikTok. You can market on Facebook Reels. You can market on Pinterest. So many places. But what I'm going to tell you and what my mentor has told me is you need to pick one. You need to get very good at it. You need to focus at that. And then as you build that up, then down the road, you're going to want to expand out there and repurpose your content. And there's software to do that, like repurpose.io, which we'll talk about later on, which will, once you put your content up at one place, it will send it to the other places so that you can have Omnipresence is what they call it, where you can be in multiple places, but that's not your focus initially. You want to get good at doing one and then build from that down the road. Okay, then you need to plug into community and get mentorship. At the filming of this is the 29th of December. We have a special deal running where you can get full access to our mentorship all of 2024 if you get started with what I'm going to talk about here in just a minute before the end of the year. So you got to do it before January 1st of 2024. Now, if you see this after January 1st of 2024, we've got some other things that we're going to be doing next year, and we'll be able to give you some access to get you started and things like that. We can talk about that and see what the bonuses are. But if you see this before the first of the year, if you get started with us in our product, which is a course that is a very extensive course, so it has over 220 videos that will teach you exactly how to start your online business. One-time purchase. Once you purchase it, you own it. You actually can put it up on your own website, and you make 100% commission. I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. But if you get involved before the end of the year of 2023, you will get full access to our mentorship and community for all of 2024, which is huge. Community is important. Mentorship is important. And you also have access to me as a mentor for you to take you down this journey. It's going to be a great year of 2024. We're going to grow tremendously. We're going to be able to build on each other's strengths and help each other grow. And so what I'm offering here is what's called Roadmap 2.0. And it is, like I said, it's one of the best courses I've ever seen in my entire time online. And I've spent a lot of money and I've had a lot of courses. This course is nuts to bolts. A to Z has everything that you need to be successful online. It teaches you what affiliate marketing is, what digital marketing is, how to make your own course if you would like to do that, how to make your own product if you'd like to do that, how to set up your funnels, how to set up Stand Store if you choose to do that, and talks about all the different places you can marketing. It has modules on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm sure I'm missing stuff, but there's 28 modules in here that teach you exactly how to build from. And the great thing is, this is Roadmap 2.0. They just recently updated it with all new information, all new content. And that's what's so great about the founders of this product is they do this on a regular basis. So if you get involved, you get started, you will always have access to all the updates, which is so awesome. So how do you get started? Well, you go to my link and you put in your information, and it will send you to the page that will teach you and show you exactly what it is all about, talk to you about what those 28 modules are, and then you're going to start getting email follow-ups like I talked about. So GoProWithBrian.com. GoProWithBrian.com. That's all you got to do. Go there, check that out, get started. Hit me up. Let me know that you want to get started before the end of the year, and let's get you rocking in 2024. I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day.